Why, hello, iPhone. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jerome, back with another video. It is the day that I have been waiting for. It is officially iPhone Day, which means I've got another unboxing to do with you guys today. So I've got my handy dandy knife here. I think I said this in the last unboxing too. I really need to get like an actual knife instead of just taking these from my kitchen every time. But let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. So I got this new iPhone directly from T-Mobile using their like trade-in policy thing. So in this package, I've actually got a return kit for my old phone as well as the new iPhone. Brand new iPhone 13 Pro in Sierra Blue. Well, we definitely don't need this. How did that even, what? I said we don't need this. So one new thing that Apple has done this year with these iPhones is that they've gotten rid of the plastic wrap that they normally have. So you can see/hear, no plastic. This is completely all just the box. And the way that they're keeping it sealed is with these little pull tabs on the back. So let's go ahead and open this puppy up. You gotta love the sound of opening an Apple package. All right, here we go. The official first look at the iPhone 13 Pro. Ooh, look at that. Look at it. In Sierra Blue. It kind of almost looks like the color of my shirt, but it's not. Kind of almost like a UNC blue. The first thing immediately that I notice is that the cameras on here are absolutely massive looking compared to my my old iPhone 11 Pro. I didn't get the 12 last year or 12 Pro, so I'm loving this new squared off look that the iPhones have as opposed to the more rounded version that they used to have in the last generation. But let's go ahead and peel this off right here. Ooh, like I said, I love the sounds of opening a new iPhone. Perfect. I will say the stainless steel on the side here is like a super fingerprint magnet. Even in just the couple seconds that I've had this phone, you can already see how many fingerprints are on there. So that is just one thing to know. So the other things you get in the package, of course, just like last year, Apple has not included a power brick in this. You do still get a nice Lightning to USB-C cable here. Comes in the package. And of course you get some Apple stickers. Actually, just one Apple sticker. And you always get your SIM Card Eject Tool. That is it. That's everything that comes in the box. So super light box, super light packaging, which is great for them. Maybe that'll help them save the environment and stuff. How do I keep missing throwing these over my shoulder? There we go. So now that we've got the phone unboxed, I do want to just do like a very quick side-by-side comparison of these two, just to show the big things that are different with it. Of course, you've got the square body versus the rounded if you're coming from an 11 Pro like I am. But like I was saying about those camera bumps, you can see right there just how much bigger the cameras are compared to the previous model 11 Pro. I wish I had a 12 just side by side so I could show you. And these are the same size phone. It's not like one is the Pro Max and the other one's just the Pro. Same size, just those cameras are absolutely massive. If you guys want to know all the new features that Apple's added with these new phones, then definitely go check out my video covering the iPhone release event. But the one thing I did want to talk about was the big new thing that they've added, which is cinematic mode with video on the iPhone 13 Pro, actually across the entire line. So I think that's going to be really cool. Stay tuned for a couple camera tests I'm going to do. I'm going to compare this one with the iPhone 11 Pro, and then I'll also do one comparing this with the camera that you guys are looking at right now. And I think that'll be really interesting to see how different the quality is, or how much better the quality has gotten. And of course, cinematic mode, switching that focus between different subjects and stuff, I think it's going to be really, really cool. So stay tuned for that as well. I've got a new iPhone to go play with. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video, and stay tuned for a lot more iPhone 13 content coming your way. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss all of that content. I'm Jerome with All Things Tech and Finance. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.